Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix Sketchbook app. You will click on settings. In this page we can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Sketchbook. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that you can click on clear cache. Then you can click on this sign of airplane mode to turn on, and then you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.